my channel. So in today's video, we're gonna learn how to make this type of product advertising ad while in video. So let's begin. First of all, what you're gonna do is that you're gonna click on videos and you're gonna select the videos landscape and your image your video is gonna be looking like this. Now what you do is you're gonna go in the elements panel. You're gonna search for a blue gradient. Like it's up to you. You can pick any gradient by just typing blue gradient. Like it's up to you. I'm just doing specifically blue gradient. You're gonna go in the photos panel and I'm gonna pick somewhat like this one, I guess. And I'm gonna set this as my background. Like this. Not too shabby. Now I'm just gonna search for a red background. Not like a red gradient. And I'm gonna pick this one right here. I'm gonna rotate it like this. And I'm just gonna increase its size like this. Alright, now it's set it. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna search for some shoes. Enter. I'm gonna scroll down for the shoes I want. I'm gonna pick this one right here. Like this. Alright. I'm just gonna move it like the way I want. Someone like this. I'm just dragging them together. Alright, that's perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna bring them like to somewhat over here. Like, okay, over here. Make a little bit peak or it will like get discarded from your whole page and I don't want that. Just gonna drag it over here and just a little peak like this. I'm gonna keep my timeline to 3 seconds. Like this much. I'm gonna duplicate my timeline, like my page, and then at this page, I'm just gonna move it, select this, and I'm gonna click on Shift. Oh wait, it made it duplicate. I'm just gonna hold my Shift key and align it like this, and I'm gonna hold like this. Alright, it's done. Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna go in text. I'm gonna add a heading. I'm gonna write over here, limited offer. Limited offer. Like this. I'm gonna change its color to white. And I'm gonna do it all caps. Like this. I'm gonna choose this font right here, Engine. I'm gonna reduce my line spacing. Let's check another type of I think I'm gonna be okay with this one. It's perfect. I'm gonna increase its size like this. Alright, and now I'm gonna click Alt and Shift and I'm gonna type over here new arrival. Alright, I'm gonna decrease the size and then just kind of align them like this. I'm gonna make another duplicate by holding my Alt, or you can even just click over here duplicate. Wait a sec. And alright, and I'm gonna write over here shoes. I'm gonna make an effect of hollow. I'm gonna decrease the size like this, and I'm gonna add an effect to these two, and I just want you to decrease the size a bit. I'm gonna add an effect to both of these. Lift effect, which is perfect. You can even change the adjustments there to you. Now what I'm gonna do is that let's preview it. But before previewing it, I'm just gonna add this transaction match and move. I'm gonna increase my durability or the speed. And now I'm just gonna make it 3 seconds again. Like this. Okay, now let's see it. Alright? And I'm gonna add an animation to all of these texts also. I'm gonna choose my baseline. I'm gonna do them like they should go over here, and they should animate in both time, like in the end and also on the entrance and the exit. I'm gonna decrease the speed to like this and reverse, and I'm gonna click on reverse exit position. If my animation is going on the right position, then reverse means that in exiting it will go by the left. So I'm just gonna click on it. I'm gonna do the same for all of these. Over here I'm gonna do this one and both decrease the speed. I'm gonna do this also. I'm gonna add my animation to same to this one. Both, and this time it goes from here. Now let's preview our animation. But yeah, before previewing my animation, I'm gonna just fix this thing that I need to like do something with the timeline that after my shoes and the background comes over here, then they should start over here nicely. Okay, now let's preview it. Like this. Isn't it looking cool? Now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna make another duplicate of this page. And over here, my shoes will go to the left side while increasing the size of them like this. And I'm gonna remove this rectangle. I'm gonna go in the elements and I'm gonna search for a circle like this. I'm gonna go in the graphics panel and I'm gonna take a circle from here. I'm just gonna take, now what I'm gonna do is that I'm just gonna take, I thought of taking this one right here. I'm gonna change its color. Like I can change this color, so let's take another one. Let's just pick someone like, I want a grunge circle. I can't find the circle I want, so I just typed over here circle grunge stem. It's like a specific name for the circle I need. And I'm gonna take this one right here. I'm gonna change its color from yellow to red. Like this. I'm gonna increase the size. I'm gonna move it backwards. Like this. And now I'm just gonna go to my text. And I'm gonna add a heading. I'm gonna write special offer. Just a sec. Special offer till winters. Let's something like this. And I'm just gonna add an exclamation mark over here. I'm gonna do them all caps. I'm gonna change the font to GT Bellness, or let's just take this Anton again. I'm gonna increase my size like this. Alright? And I just want to specifically change its color to like yellow. Alright, it's perfect. So I'm just gonna add an animation between these. Also 1.5. And I'm gonna like this. And just I'm gonna increase my timeline. Alright, let's preview it. And yeah, I'm just gonna delete all of these sticks from the timeline. I'm gonna add an animation to this one also. Like from the baseline again, while it goes to here, and both, and reverse exit position. And I'm gonna animate this also I'm gonna add a stomp effect or a baseline effect. Decrease my speed and unload and reverse like this. And I just wanted to decrease the speed also. Now let's see. So now let's preview it. While adjusting its timeline, alright, like this. So now I'm gonna do is that over here, I'm just gonna make a little small like this and like move it over here. I'm gonna decrease its size also and bring it. I'm just gonna make it a little bit more small like this. Alright, now I'm gonna do it that I'm gonna hold this and I'm gonna resize it a bit. Alright, okay. I'm gonna add a page and I'm just gonna drag this circle over here in this page. Basically I just wanted to add some text and make it like an image. And I'm gonna write over here, order now. Order now. Like this. I'm gonna do it all caps. Again. But this I'm gonna take a different font, like static from font. I'm gonna take a font like Font Arabic, or let's just take one Chicana. Let's take one Arabic. I'm gonna increase, like I'm just gonna make it a bold. I'm gonna change its color to white, like this, and I'm gonna add effect of lift. I'm gonna increase its size. Alright, like this. I'm just gonna decrease it a little. It's like too much. Alright, now I'm gonna click on share. I'm gonna click on download. I'm gonna select the page I want to download, set it to ping, and just keep the transparent background and download. So now as it's downloaded, I'm just gonna delete this page right here. And I'm gonna come back over here. I'm gonna go in my uploads. I'm gonna upload a file, this one over here. I'm gonna drag my image to my page like this. Alright. I'm just gonna decrease its length like this. Like the unnecessary part of the image. Alright. This is perfect. And I'm just gonna add another shoe. Let's start over here shoes. Go in the photos panel. And I'm gonna go back to my image which I chose, which were these ones. I'm gonna see all over here. I'm gonna delete these. And I'm gonna take this one right here. Like this. It's gonna show up like this. Alright. And I'm just gonna like add an effect animation on it. Go in the baseline. I'm gonna move it from here both and revert on exiting. I'm gonna come over here and I'm just gonna like add a like match and move. Or let's add another baseline effect over here. Upward, both, and I'm gonna exit it like this. I'm just gonna decrease the speed of it like this. And I'm just gonna see this ribbon right here. I'm gonna make its timeline to over like here till like 1.5 and it's gonna exit. So let's review our animation. So hope you love this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to share it to your friends.